Today's video is about my 2008 Royal Enfield Electra 5 speed. So let me give you a walk around. Hi all, Namaskar. So I got this vehicle a couple of months back. It's the speedometer seems to be modified, so the mileage is not what it is there. But this is done as maybe around approximately around 20k miles, and this is one of Royal Enfield's last series of the cast iron engine. As you can see, this one has a 5-speed gearbox with the shift on your left side and brake on the right side, like regular motorcycles. When Royal Enfield launched this vehicle, there was not much of enthusiasm among RE riders, because it was also competing with the Electra 4S, which is the regular, the English model of left brake and right shift. So that being said, this model, very few there were already in the market, the Thunderbird, as well as the models with the AVL engine Machismo, which had similar gear, but this is not that successful. I think the success of RE took off after the launch of Classic, as all you know, which came with the shift with the brake on your right side and shifting on the left side. So this is the model. This is one of the last models, which is called, named as the Electra 5S, which had a different paint. This has, obviously this bike has been repainted, but did come with the chrome fenders, as well as the naked Electra naked fork, and rest of the items remained similar to the other model. So if you wanted the original Thump, this was the model. This is the model to go if you want original cast iron engine, which produces the best Thump in my opinion, but also marries with two additional bonus features. That is, one is, as you can see, this came standard with the factory disc brake on the front, and also, believe it or not, it actually has electric start here. So as you can see, this motor right here, which churns. So this came with the bigger size battery to do the electric start. So I got this model when the electric start was not working, and found out that this was an issue with the battery. Have changed the battery and made a couple of upgrades after I bought it. So bought it for around approximately 80k in Karnataka. So the used market usually runs around 80 to 90 depending upon condition. There are few issues to it, which I will take a different video, but as you can see, I've updated the tires, got a new battery, fixed the electric start, which found out to be an issue with the battery and the wiring, replaced the entire wiring, and I have also added these mirrors, which is the Himalayan mirror. The rear tires seem to be in good condition, so I didn't change it. It's got the Indori Exhaust, which seems to be in good condition. It's got a really good thump, so I will show you the thump. It's got the everything else remains the same. So there are a few upgrades that I'm planning to do, which in future I would be trying to paint it all black, because I kind of like the stealth black look of it. So we'll possibly do that change in the future, and also I will make few upgrades. Maybe get a better seat. This is the stock seat, but I believe the previous owner has changed it, so it is running a little stiff. So time will tell if they are suitable for a long ride. I have also upgraded the handlebar. They came with the classic handlebar, which was okay, but I feel the RD350 handlebar that you have here seems to be really comfortable. You know, it brings the bike, the handlebars forward to you, so you don't have to, you know, keep your arms you know, stretched, and gives your it gives ability for you to relax. So let me just start the vehicle, and I'll show you how the sound looks like. All right, so neutral and start. So I'll see you guys in a different video where I'm trying to, you know, speak to you about the breakdown of the cost of the changes that I made after I picked up. I'm trying to maintain a running inventory of all the changes I've made on this vehicle. On this one, I have, like I said, the changes including the tire, the wiring, the battery, the handlebar, and, like, you know, the fork covers. All those things I will give a breakdown of how much is costed. So see you guys soon on a different video. Thank you.